Everyone, it's Lou Collins. Today I've got a 3-minute card making hack for you that's more about storage. So you can use any box that you have laying around at home that has a base and a lid of similar heights, or you can use something like the Card Making Magic, one of their card box die sets. There's lots of different sizes available to create fantastic storage for in your craft room. Now stay tuned for the end because I'm going to show you a bonus tip that you can do with this as well, so it makes it even more kind of accessible and able to store and see what's inside too. So to start with, we're going to cut ourselves or take a lid and a base that are of the same size roughly. Now I've cut myself 2 of the bases. I've stuck one together. Before I stick the second one together, I'm actually going to use my paper trimmer and cut this into 4 pieces. Now your 4 pieces can be completely even if you wish, or you can cut these into 4 different size pieces. So I'm going to go a little bit off to give myself different size compartments. I'm going to go around about 2/3 of the way across, and then I'm also going to put my 2 together to make sure I get this even. And again, I'm going to go around about 2/3. So I've now got myself 4 different size pieces. Now with each of these, I'm going to glue the tabs together. So I'm going to lift up the score lines and glue the corners together in the same way I would have done if I was constructing the box. Now for this, I'd definitely recommend using quite a heavyweight cardstock. Something like 300 to 300 GSM would be ideal, and your die should be able to cut through 1 layer of that, no problem. Now with your 4 panels all constructed with their corners, you can position these inside the base of your box. So one of mine's going to go there, one of them this way. So the corners, are, rather than being on the outside, are going to be on the inside. I'm going to put this one here, and there'll be a tight fit, but that's absolutely fine. And then this one around about here. Just make sure everything fits as you'd expect, and you can then glue those in. So I'm adding glue to the base of each of my sections and to the sides as well. I'm going to start with the largest one, make sure I'm pushing that right up into the corner, and then I'm going to do the same with the others, one at a time, ensuring that I'm adhering it to all of the side panels that it touches. Now I've got myself a desktop storage tray, and I can change the compartments if I want to, simply by cutting them in half and half again exactly, if that's what I prefer. But as I said, I'm going to take this one step further and allow you to put this away without things popping out or falling out of them. So here I've cut myself a 3rd one of these box panels. This is only going to work if you're using a box die rather than a box that you've got around the home. But I've also cut myself an aperture in the front and placed some acetate in there, so I can then put a lid onto this box. So once I've got my tray and my compartments filled up with whatever I need, I can pop this lid on with the acetate so I can clearly see through. And this is great if you are creating projects and you want to keep everything, or your embellishments, your ink colours, etc. together in one place. That will even stand up. You can put it into a bookshelf if you want to. And like I say, easily accessible, and you can see what's in there. Don't forget to check out the 3-minute hack playlist, where we've got lots of tips and tricks that you can follow along with, and subscribe to the Craft Stash YouTube channel. Take care. I'll see you again very soon.